Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to create employee group in SAP HR. First of all, you should understand what is employee group. For any company, we have different kinds of employees like permanent employees, temporary employees, trainee employees, third party employees, contract employees. These are the few various types of employee groups. Depending upon your job structure, depending upon a company org structure, you can define these kind of groups. It's very necessary to define this kind of group for proper working condition of the employees and properly maintain employees in the organizational structure. We'll see step by step how to create employee group in SAP HR. The employee group allows you to divide your employees into groups and allow you to define their relationship with the enterprise. Yes. What does this mean? Employees groups allow you to divide employees in a groups. Like I told you already, we discussed already this few minutes back. Like we have permanent employees, that's a group. Temporary employees, that's a group. Contract employees, that's a group. Third party, that's a group. Okay, and allow you to define their relationship means what they're doing in the enterprise. Oh, is a permanent employee, the relationship. Temporary employee, that is a relationship. Third party employee, that means is attached with this enterprise as on this designation. The following essential organizational functions can be carried out using the employee group. With the help of employee group, what all things we can do. Okay. Generating the default values when entering the data. For example, for the payroll accounting area, basic pay of the employee. If you don't have employee group, you cannot enter payroll accounting area for the basic pay of the employee, because for all employees there is a different salary structure, different employee group structure. We have to arrange to get their salary properly into their account with this module. Generating a selection criteria for evaluations. Because we cannot do any proper evaluation if you do not have proper groups. You may have 3,000, 4,000 employees and you have to sort it only few employees. How it possible? It's possible via sorting it out, evaluation it out, employee groups. Generating a unit for authorization check. You can do this also. Okay. Example, if you want to distinguish the employees between persons actively employed, pensioners and early retirees. This is also a employee group who are actively working, who are taking pensions in the company and who are already retired. This, if you want to see retired, just go to retired group, you will find all retired people. And if you go to pensioners, this will work mostly in the government organization where they need to pay pensions till their death. Okay. And the standard contains some sample of employee group. How to create an employee group, you can check. Recommendation, transfer transfer at least employee groups 1 and 2. Yeah, check standard employee groups, create new employee groups necessary. See, here we have option to create new employee groups, or here we have option to delete employee group which is not exist, or is a test system. You create few employee groups. If you don't want, you can delete that with the help of this. How to go and start creating the employee groups? First of all, you have to go to enterprise structure with the help of SPRO. Okay, then go to definitions, then go to human resource management. Then we have a tab called employee group. If you follow this screenshot properly, you can directly enter into employee subgroups. Okay, now you see sample how create employee group. When you enter this, yeah, employee group, you can define one as a DHL permanent employee, 2 as a DHL temporary employee, 3 as a DHL non-skill employee, and 4 is a DHL trainees. These are the different types of employees who work for DHL firm, DHL enterprise. Now you will see same thing in the system. Like go to enterprise structure, I'll show it from the enterprise structure, then go to click on definitions, then click on human resource areas, then click on employee groups. Okay, here I discussed, if you don't want any kind of employee groups which are not working for you, you can delete them. You can delete them by clicking this delete all permanent. Yes, deleted. Now you see mama top level E, I don't want, I'll delete. Dollar, I delete. because you can see all fancy names because we do not have space to create a new entries over here. That's the reason why we create all these fancy numbers. We create 1 2 3 4. I'll try to delete this 1 2 3 4. Then only I can able to create new one. I delete 1, I deleted 2, I deleted 3, and I have deleted 4. Now I create new thing. If I take this and copy, I take what I do, I select 5 and copy. What it does, you can copy it to 1. Here, you can change your company name. Soft skills. Can you permanent employees, permanent EMP. Like this. Entry is for mark for deletion. This entry is already marked for deletion. This we have done. Okay, just go back. Give some unique number. Dollar. This also marks for deletion. Yeah, we don't have things to create over here because all things are already created in this area. The source key is 5. You cannot create source key as a target key. But here, if you go to new systems, there you can find here, you can copy it because here all the employees are already created. There is no more space left for creating a new employee groups. As we discussed earlier, you can see here if I cancel this, as you can see, these are all my employee groups which are already created. But if you go to new system, there you can see any of the letter from only 3 to 4 employee groups exist in any company, 4 5 6. Okay, but here is a demo system. Here students are creating employee create for key which is available in the keyboard, and they're using only one, like any one character required to create a employee groups. Okay, you can check most of the times 1 to 10 ABCD, depending on the organizational structure or management decision, they will create employee group either in alphabetic order or in a numeric order. This is how we can work with the employee groups. Thanks all.